Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to type a status on WhatsApp. So let's get started. As you can see here, we have the option My Status. So we have a little camera icon and a little pen icon. So if you don't want to add a photo or a video, you just want to type something and add it to your status, you're gonna click on the little pen icon. So here you can type, "Hey guys, how are you?" for example. And you can select the color palette just by clicking on the little color palette icon in our top right corner. So as you can see, you can change the colors of your background. When you find the one you like, you're just gonna click on send, and send is here right above the just word from our keyboard. And that's how it's done. Now this is add to our status. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!